What's going on, guys? Mishmash here. So this is a very odd video. It's been a very long time since I have uploaded any sort of video on this channel. So I thought today was going to be a much different video. As you can see, I have a camera. Now, I won't go into detail, why I stopped filming on YouTube and all that sort of stuff, but until George sort of is free because he's got like study and exams and all that sort of stuff. So this video is just about me purchasing a new camera, the Lumix G7. This, I don't know, it took me forever, the price so everyone can see. This took me forever to sort of figure out. Like, I was looking at cameras and one of my mates basically said, have a look at the Lumix G7. So I thought, all right, done. I'll have a size at this one, and to be honest, it's perfect. All the reviews, the 4K, and the price range for 4K as capability is freaking awesome. So I thought, why not? And I picked it up for $7.99 Australian dollars. So yep. Also with the lens, 14 to 42 millimeter. I get the kit lens. Apparently, for a kit lens is really good. I'm not really too familiar with cameras, so I thought, this is my first starter camera. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna get straight into this unboxing. Hopefully you all enjoy, and sorry in advance if I do get things wrong. Like I said, I am not used to cameras and all that sort of stuff, but let's go. And I guess I don't need a knife. All right, gotta say the box is pretty neat. Obviously, with every single camera, well, I gotta say, every unboxing you get, there's always warranties, all this sort of stuff you just never read. And let's be honest, if you guys own a Mac, there's no way we're using a CD, DVD, whatever you want to call it. Let's just put that one over there. Alright, how the hell do you open this? Alright, well, my lap. It's been a while since I've been on camera and I've recorded anything, but compartment number one. Uno. What have we got here? We have a battery. Lithium, yep, I think. Sweet. Oh, unboxing things is just, it's amazing, I love it. So I guess this is the lithium battery. Do not disassemble. We should try that one day for a video. That will do, I reckon, yeah, that'll be pretty fun. Let's disassemble a battery. All right, anyways, battery. Obviously your cord, charging cord. Like, come on, everyone knows what that is. Next, my camera, my phone literally just cut out of me, so I'm gonna continue this again. So yeah, you got your cord, you got your battery. What else we got here? Jesus Christ, yeah, all right. USB to, I do not know what that is. Guess we'll put that aside and find out later. Next, we have our strap, our band. Now, everyone says in their videos and whatever else, they don't want to use it. Now, I'm gonna say I'm most likely gonna be using it because I have a tendency to be dropping things, and I really do not want to drop this camera. So that's, yeah, that's that. Awesome. Last accessory is our Lumix Panasonic battery charger, wall charger. Awesome, obviously, bada bing, bada boom, that fits in there. Whatever else you want to put in there. Cool bananas, that's that. Now, to what I have been waiting for, and to the people waiting for this, if they haven't seen the camera. The Lumix G7. In the bag. And here we are. Oh wow, it's really, really nice feel to the camera, I've got to say. Like, I'm not too familiar with cameras, as I said. Actually, did I even say that? But I guess this is, yeah, this is it. It does feel plasticky, but I guess it is. I guess it's what they were going for with the camera. Hence why it's at a cheap price. But I guess for the things I do know, obviously it's mirrorless, so there are no mirrors going on in there. It's all digital, which is pretty cool, which well, I wouldn't know the difference, but anyway. You also, which is awesome, is you pop up, what do you call it, pop-up flash, touch of a button, the back, press that, pops up, boom. Viewfinder, digital viewfinder, and you got your toggles, which I believe for aperture, I don't know, not 100% sure. On and off switch, I guess your settings, which I still got to learn about, what's what. Your shutter button, your record button, and also I like the fact that it's got like auto focus, manual focus, and yeah, not sure what the other one is also, but that's, I guess, until I learn about the camera. I'm not too familiar with the camera, or with cameras I should say, but as well as that, perfect thing I love, and the reason why I bought the camera also is the screen. Come on, what else would you want from a camera? Like any sort of angle you want, you can get. Perfect. Main reason why I bought the camera. But that's that. Also, I thought I'd mention it now. Another reason why I bought this camera is I have a second, or now have a second YouTube channel, which I am starting. It's a fitness related channel. So, and that's, I guess, in the works. Well, first video might be up next week for that channel. But I guess I'll put the link in the description for you guys to have a suss. I'm not going to say what the channel is yet until it gets up. But we'll just quickly continue on with this because we've still got the lens. Let's put that up here. But yeah, that's it. I'm doing like a fitness channel, motivational sort of stuff. That one is going to be my main everyday maybe sort of thing. I'll have like my Snapchat on there, my Instagram, and books again, more books. Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. So if you guys want to follow me on that, links will also be in the description. And it comes with a lens cap, finally, something I need, because like glare, I hate the glare so much, finally. And here's the lens, let's put it on, This is 14 to 40, what is it, 14 to 42, the stock lens, stock lens, what a way to put it. Oh my god, it's absolutely tiny. Like, it does feel moderately cheap, I guess. Wouldn't even have a clue. But let's put this, let's put this on, shall we? See what it looks like on the camera. I'm making a massive mess here, oh my god. Alright. Just unwind. Already have unwound it and unwound it. How this goes in, I have no fucking idea. Still don't want to break this. Didn't just spend like $800 on a camera just to break it. That's definitely not going in. It'd be great if I could put it in. That's click. It is in. That is the Lumix G7, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. Like it, whatever you guys want. But that's the Lumix G7. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take it easy. It's been quite a long time since I guess I've pulled out a camera. But yeah, this is a continuation of my unboxing and a bit of a walkthrough and a how would you say it now? A video quality test. I guess that's what I'll call it. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one after this.